Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 108. If we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this box, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this box, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 2. But I don't see any other help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. For this column, we're missing a 4. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 8, 1 here, so 7, 8, 8 here, so 1, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got 1 here, 7 here, so this is our 4. 7 here, so 1, 7. That 7 makes this our 1, 8, 7. That 8 makes this our 9, 8. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this row, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this box now, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 9, 8 here, so 7, 8. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 5, 9. For this row, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 1, 9 here, so 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 9 here, so 6, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this box, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this row, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. And for this box now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.